Alright guys, welcome back. It's Sunday. Coming up on GTX, we've got this. Oh yeah. Guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for joining in. So after I finished up the PS5 last week, I got asked to look at an Xbox with a faulty HDMI. So it's literally there. So we'll have a look in a second. I did order up some HDMIs. I'm watching Man of Steel, we'll show that in a second. I'm actually ordered up some HDMIs in the meantime, and they have arrived over there. So what we'll do is we'll get a look at what's going on the port, and then from there we can basically take the Xbox apart and replace the HDMI. So let's turn this camera around and we'll show you what's going on. Right, back in a second. Okay guys, we're back over at the desk. It's a little bit messy, but not bad at all. Right, okay, let's get this out and we'll see what's going on. We'll keep it under the light. Oh, let's shut this down. Oh, come on. What the? Right, let's chuck that down there and let's see what's going on with this Xbox. Pretty groggy, but we'll get that cleaned up. It's not a problem. Okay, so oh yeah, we've got a stuffed HDMI port. Right guys, we're back under the kind of main camera at the moment to pull this apart. So let's get started. As I said, I've never worked on one of these before, so let's see what is going on. All right, I may speed this up, I may not. We'll see. Right. We will now take the Bluetooth board off. Are these the same? Yes, they are. Cool. And it's held down with this little connector. Next up will be the power button. And just to confirm, these are all the same size screws. Then we will do the Wi-Fi board. Again, it looks like these are exactly the same screws as the others. Okay, we'll pull the board out. Again, it's just a little connector. That one there. Then we've got these to come out for, I believe these are the power supply screws. So let's get them out. Tight. Got the big massive fan. We've got the power supply, which we'll take out in a second. There we go. Again, it connects from here into there. Let's see if I can get this zoomed in a wee bit. Into here. Flip this back over and we will get rid of the fan screws. We'll flip this back over, hold on to the fan at the same time. We'll pull the fan out. And we've got the connector here, guys. Literally just grab it by the balls, hold tight, just gently rock back and forward. Oh bloody hell. Oh, blimey, that was in tight. Okay, that's it out. We will then get the main board out, guys. Alright, so just 4 screws here and here. So if you're doing this yourselves, guys, obviously I'm videoing it, you could probably pull this apart in about 6 minutes, maybe less, give or take. That's even if you're taking your time. So let's get this main board out. Got to take that out, guys. It does help. Right, let's lift this out. And take the M.2 out. We'll pop that aside. Whoa, there we go, guys. So it pulled apart, and as we can see, we've got more thermal pads. We've got the, wow, that's all dry, and that is all dry. So we'll need to get this cleaned up and replaced. It's literally brittle. This is all brittle, it's not dry whatsoever, so we'll need to get that done as well. So yeah, it's not looking great, it is pretty dirty, but that's what we'll give it a clean, and then we'll put some fresh thermal goop on it, not a problem. So let's get this bad boy, sorry guys, this bad boy here replaced. I'm going to clean all this up first, and then we'll start on the board, guys. Alright, we'll be back in a tick. Alright guys, we are back under the microscope, and I'm literally just going to apply some flux, get some low melt solder on this, under the hot air station, and get this port removed. So let me just add some of this on here. There we go. And we'll just brush this over with the soldering iron. That will do that one. They are bridged, but we'll get them cleaned up once we get the port off. Right, let's get this turned over. Those holes there. We'll just get some flux on that. There we go. 2, 3, 4. And we'll get some There we go. That's them done. Now we'll get set up to remove these with the hot air station. So let's get set up for that, guys. What we'll do is we will add some flux on this side. It's just at the legs. And we'll pop a little bit more on the back. Remember, flux is your friend. Right, let's get this clamped. And we'll get this hit up, guys. Let's do this. Go, guys. We'll just let that cool down now. Right, guys, this is us going back under the microscope. We'll see in a minute. All the pads look good. The holes look good. So it's just a case now of tinning them up and getting the new HDMI port on. So right, guys, we've just finished up doing some work on the pads, tinning them up, etc. And that's the connector done also. So what we'll do now is we will get some flux on this and on the back. We'll heat this up and we'll drop the HDMI pin or port in. There we go. One port in. Alright, guys, after the port was on, literally just checked the pins and we've got the second in from the right that's just it's just loose, so we will top that up all all the other pins are good. A little bit of flux. Right, so second in from the right. Do this. Come on. There we go. Checking the pins again. They're all good and solid. Yeah, good, good, good. Okie dokie. Right guys, we're back over at the kind of assembly area. We will start putting this back together. I'll probably put a little bit of music on it. I do like to take my time putting this back together. This is my first time on a Series S, so we'll go from there. This stuff here, this is actually K5 kind of thermal putty. It doesn't use thermal pads. This Xbox uses thermal paste, which we've got here, and this is K5 kind of thermal putty. So I've managed to kind of push this back in. It's kind of splitting, but we will pop this in. This goes, let me see, can't remember. So this goes like so. So this here goes on this side, and this here goes on that side. Right, so we'll start putting this back together, guys, and we'll get it tested. Right, we'll see you in a bit. Right guys, that's it put back together. So what we'll do now is we'll jump onto the phone so I can take it over to the testing area. And we will use the power cable that the customer has supplied. So let's do this. Let's get this on. Okay guys, we've now switched on to the handheld. Let's take this over. And as always, the customer will get one of the pigtails. So we'll test it out just now. Headset charging. We'll get this plugged in. There we go. That's from my PS5. We'll steal the HDMI from the wife's PC and we will plug this in. Boom. And then we'll now power on. Oh. Let's see what happens. And we're up. So there we go. We are now up and running. HDMI fixed. And we've got a display. So now obviously to give the customer this so that they don't wreck the HDMI port again, because it is quite a lengthy process and it does cost a good bit of money. So we are up and running. Fan is spinning. All good. So yeah, all done guys. Excuse me, can't get rid of this sore throat. So yeah, if you like the video, please like and subscribe. We do have, let's see if I can get it in camera. We do have these. We've got iPads to do next. We've got 2 screens. So yeah, we will see you in the next one. Alright guys, catch you later. Bye.